Okay, we'll begin with unit number 2, handheld pocket computers and mobile system operating system. Handheld pocket computers. This we are dealing with handheld pocket computers. For example, the smartphones, pocket-sized PCs. These handheld pocket computers, these differ from the smartphones and in the multimedia phones in that they can be programmed for the customized application. So basic difference between the smartphones and these handheld pockets is that these are customized to do a particular type of task, whereas nowadays the smartphone which is available has all the features which are there. So this is, we are talking about 2017's, because this book is published in 2017. So according to 2017, these handheld pocket computers were made specially to customize particular applications. Now what else these provides? These offers a variety of applications and programming tools not included in new generation mobile systems. So at that time, the new things which are not been included in the mobile phones, those applications and programming tools were being included in the handheld pockets. Unlike the smartphones which usually use the text on 9-key format, handheld computers have full text keypad on or a touchscreen keypad. So this is basically nowadays whatever the smartphone we are using, we are talking about that handheld pocket computers, where these instead of having a keypad, separate keypad, we were having a touch screen keypad. Stylus generally used to enter data into the handheld devices such as this PDAs and the palm tops. These are before that we were using the stylus pen for using on the touch screen devices. Some allow the users to write on the screen using these stylus and incorporate special softwares for handwriting recognition. Say for example, if PDA ये भी क्या पहले जो यूज़ करते थे पाम टॉप्स मोबाइल डिवाइसेस है छोटे छोटे, अभी जो हमारे स्मार्टफोन्स है, these smartphones have all those features which are being depicted in the handheld pocket devices. So basically we are talking about new generations touch screens. जो स्टाइलस हुआ करता था, जो पहले, दिस इज़ ओल्ड बुक ना, 2000 मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप इसका प्रिंट देखोगे तो 2017 दिस बीइंग प्रिंटेड, दैट मीन्स द इंफॉर्मेशन हैज़ बीन कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम 2000 टू 2015. तो 2000 से 2015 के बीच में जो टच स्क्रीन नहीं हुआ करता था, उस समय ये हैंड हेल्ड पॉकेट डिवाइसेस, पॉकेट कंप्यूटर्स की बात की थी, एंड दीज वर प्रपोज्ड ओनली एट दैट टाइम. And we were having those keypad type of mobile handsets. That time when we were having the touch screen, तो वहाँ पर टच स्क्रीन को आप फिंगर से टच नहीं कर सकते थे, वहाँ पर एक सेपरेट स्टाइलस करके रहता था, दिस स्टाइलस, एंड यूजिंग दैट स्टाइलस पेन टिप you need to touch the screen so that it will function. हाँ पेन, हाँ वही तो वो हाँ वही, और वो पाम टॉप्स वगैरह. तो हम लोग व्हाट वी आर बेसिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओल्ड थिंग्स विच is now in new generation is being already implemented. Okay, so these some allow the users to write. See, you were able to write using those stylus pen. Now you are able to write using the text pad and your touch screen only. So those softwares were incorporated only to use with the stylus pen for handwriting recognition, like digital signature वगैरह भी करने हैं आपको, तो आजकल तो आप फिंगर से भी डिजिटल सिग्नेचर कर लेते हो, आपके पास सॉफ्टवेयर अवेलेबल है. Okay, now these palm tops are programmable pocket computers which includes word processors, spreadsheet software as well as PIM softwares. This keyboard or the touch screen with the stylus for the data inputs. So we were talking about 2015. You just consider that what we were learning right now is 2015 या 14 में जब हमारे पास में ये टाइप हुआ था palm tops, like programmable pocket computers, छोटे छोटे साइज के computers where we were able to use the word processor. That is nowadays you have different types of text processors, text pads, notepad, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत ऐप lots of apps are available for keeping your data in a document form, spreadsheets, ये सब अभी आपके पास में है, बट उस समय जो था these were available only on the palm top. Palm top इसलिए बोला है because the size of the computers is equal to the size of your palm. That is why the name palm top has been given to that. Okay, handheld pocket computers differs. There is a difference with the laptop. Now the pocket PCs with no CD drives and the hard disk CD drives वगैरह नहीं हुआ करती थी, floppy disk वगैरह नहीं लगा सकते थे, which uses the flash memory, and it allows the insertion of a memory stick. A memory stick is a removable flash memory card. These features were there in the handheld pocket computers, where clock speeds of the pocket computers processors are limited up to 20 megahertz due to the consideration about the battery life. So these were some of the features of these handheld pocket computers which differ from the laptop. There is no CD-ROMs, there is no separate hard disk, it has its own internal hard disk, flash memory. It uses only the flash memory to refresh the information. Okay. Some other features are like, unlike laptops and notebooks which use regular microcomputers operating systems, pocket computers have special design operating systems. OS scaled to the requirement of the software, hardware and peripheral used in the handheld computers. So separate operating systems were there for the handheld pocket computers. You can consider that Android है, Windows है, Mac है, ये आपके अलग अलग operating system. Every company has developed it nowadays. Every company has developed its own operating system to work on their computers. Like Windows CE was one of the operating systems. So we'll see the different operating systems for the mobile computing, mobile handheld devices बोला जिनको. An operating system from the Microsoft. So this Windows CE is being developed by. This is basically you will see lots of abbreviations right now. I am not confirmed. I'll let you know CE on your WhatsApp. So basically it has been developed by the Microsoft computers. So it is very old version. आपको अपने नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा उस समय, जैसे अभी आप एंड्रॉयड और जेली वगैरह सुनते हो, ये सब है. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली फॉर द कंप्यूटिंग एंटरप्राइजेस वगैरह. सो यू विल सी लॉट्स ऑफ full forms available on the PPTs. So I'll let you know the full form of CE on your WhatsApp later on. Okay. So an operating system from the Microsoft supporting this which supports the multitasking on the handheld devices, and real-time operating system means for handheld computers and embedded system. So this you will see. I'll just search 1 minute. Embedded Compact. Windows Embedded Compact is the full form of CE. So this is one of the it's Embedded Compact. Is CE is the name which is given, but the full form is, it is Windows Embedded CE, that is embedded operating system in the mobile handset devices. So this operating system has, this is basically one of the operating system, and whatever the operating system features are there, it is there applicable for this CE also. Like kernel is there, then memory management, device management, peripheral management. These different features are there for the Windows CE also. So similarly, we have a kernel different from the kernel of the desktop Windows operating system. So desktop Windows operating system have one kernel which is responsible to perform a particular task. This kernel is the core of the Windows operating system, which directly interacts with the hardware, and it keeps the information hidden from the user. This is main function of the kernel. So it is an interface between the shell and the hardware, or the user and the hardware, and it keeps track of interfacing only, providing information directly to the hardware without showing that it has been interacted with the other users. So computing devices with the low storage and can be run in about 1 MB of the memory space, and Windows CE operating system memory needs larger as compared to the Palm operating system. So this memory size, when we consider about the Windows CE, is much more as compared to the Palm operating system, and it supports a wider range of hardware than the these are some of the features which this operating system is having. Some other features are like it is having a digital camera, games, Microsoft Windows Media Player and other media players. So these things are not to be mentioned nowadays when we are talking about today's era. So these are some of the basic features which every operating system of mobile computer, mobile handset devices is having. So camera feature, good quality of video players, good quality of screen resolution. These features are there in the handheld devices, mobile computing जो mobile आजकल available है. Some other features like synchronizing mobile data with the PCs using the USB serial ports, PC infrared port or Ethernet LAN for interfacing. You have directly you can transfer the data of your handheld device using the universal serial bus port, serial ports or personal computer infrared like using Bluetooth. आप data transfer कर सकते हो PC to handheld devices. Now Windows Mobile, formerly known as the Pocket PCs. Some features of the Windows Mobile which uses this Windows CE as an operating system, a suite of basic applications for handheld devices along with the compact operating system. So it is based on both Windows CE platform, and the application software suite includes the Pocket, small screen displays, versions like Excel, MS Word. These are some of the features which are you can see on the mobile, but these features will work only when there is a basic platform, that is operating system being installed on the mobile. So any app, any applications which are there which is being supported by this CE are available in that particular mobile. It supports JavaScript, ActiveX programs. It also includes media players for playing files for various audio video formats. Then it also supports the Bluetooth, okay, communication with the PCs and neighboring devices. So these are some of the features which are available in the mobile, Windows Mobile. Okay. Now let's talk about the second operating system which was there in the mobile handheld devices, that is Palm OS. So an operating system basically from the Palm Incorporation. This is being used in the smartphones and the handheld devices, and it is optimized to support a very specific range of the hardware, that is CPU and controller chips. So these differ only in some of the features which are being provided by the company. मतलब हर कंपनी अपने अपने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बनाती है. उस समय ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो उसने बनाया था, तो Palm OS भी it is basically the one which supports its own operating system, and this it differs in the hardware configuration and in the controller chips. This Palm OS screens of this operating system based on the devices which cannot be much different from the hardware references platform designed by the Palm Computing without major changes in the operating system itself. So this is one of the operating system concept. Just a minute. लेकर देना पापा नीचे ताला लगा है क्या? सुमुख चाबी लेकर जाओ, दे दे. पैसे भी तो नहीं होंगे. पैसे भी लेना है क्या? पता जाना, चाबी लेकर जाओ. और बोल रहे क्या बोल रहे हैं, दादा को फोन लगा. So these screens of the Palm OS is based on the devices which cannot be which is different from this. Some other features of this is that it is advantageous in that because it is compiled for a specific set of hardware and its performance is very finely tuned. Inability to adapt to the different sorts of hardware. See, the question which arises in your exam is you need to write some information about the operating system which is being supported by the mobile computing. So you can write something about the Windows CE, you can write the Palm OS. So these are different types of operating system which are being supported and have some features which is different from the other. So what basically is being different from this is that it is advantageous for hardware and its performance, and the inability to adapt to the different sorts of the hardware. So it does not support multitasking. See, we have seen that Windows CE supports multitasking, but it does not support multitasking. Is this Palm OS is definitely not a great platform for running the multimedia application, whereas we have seen that Windows CE is a very good platform for running all videos and audios. and it works efficiently when running small productivity programs and but does not offer much expandability. So expandability means what? Elaborate it or increase it. So it does not have that type of features, but programming productivity, that is able to write the programs in that Palm OS, is also there. So Palm OS devices usually have wide screens and input of the data is facilitated by the touch screen. So the screen size that also differ in this case compared to the Windows CE. Some of the highlighting features of Palm OS is that it is having simple interfaces, APIs, compared to the Windows CE, and operating system requirement is low, that is 16 MB. छोटा size लगता है memory requirement as compared to Windows CE, and it needs lesser processor clock speed and therefore has lesser energy requirements. These are some of the features. So we have seen Windows CE as one of the mobile operating system. We have seen Palm OS as one of the operating system which works on the mobile computer, mobile handset devices. So you have to differentiate between these operating system. Some more features, like as we have already discussed, PIM, that is address, that is basically used for writing using the stylus on the mobile. Address book, data book for task to do, scheduling, organizing, memo pad. These are some of the applications nowadays which is available in the Play Store, and much more flexible manner, in much more flexible manners or different types of varieties, these types of apps are available nowadays. It uses a protocol called as SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocols, for downloading and uploading, like for email downloading, offline creating and sending. POP3, that is post office protocol 3, for emailing. This settings can be done. Nowadays you have the app which is directly available, like Gmail का app available है आपको, Rediffmail का app available है, but this needs to be configured at that time to access the emails. So internet browsing functions were also there. Nowadays browser is inbuilt available on the mobile devices. So this Windows organizers and PDAs, that is personal digital assistance, which you were asking for. PDAs is personal digital assistance, is available in the Palm OS operating system devices. And the other features like wireless communication, including email, messaging, browsing, multimedia applications such as playing music, these features were already available. It cradle connects to the PC. How it gets connected to the PC? Using the infrared, like Bluetooth, or through the wired communication, USB port ke through. Hot Synchronous software for synchronizing with the PCs through a serial port or the infrared. As I told you, infrared means using the Bluetooth small range, and using the serial port or USB port you can access your Palm OS devices, the devices which supports Palm operating system, to the laptop or the PCs. And this resolves the conflicts in the different versions of files during the data exchange. So now you see that at that time there was a problem with the synchronization. Synchronization मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आप जब डेटा सेंड कर रहे हो एंड रिसीव कर रहे हो, तो उस समय जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का फाइल सिस्टम रहता है, like suppose if I am working on laptop and laptop is having a different operating system, say for example Windows operating system, it has a different type of file system, whereas Palm OS is having a different type of file system. So when we were doing synchronizing between these two operating system, so when the file transfer from one location to another, it needs to be synchronized in the particular type of file system. So for that also there may conflicts may arise, because these two different companies does not support the file in that manner, in the same order. But nowadays this type of problem is not there. This has been resolved. Now the other thing, that is infrared port for the communication with the mobile phones and the external modems were also there. Extension card slots were there, that is for like good quality of audio video, or for recording. You have this type of features to add into the Palm OS devices. Most compatible with the Dragon Ball processor from the Motorola. This is one of the company, Motorola, which supports this type of Dragon Ball processor, which supports this type of communication and extension slots available on the devices. So most Palm OS devices offers a display of 160 by 160 256 color touchscreen. See, this is very low nowadays as compared to today's era. So Palm OS devices can be integrated with the GSM and CDMA. This GSM technology and CDMA technology we have already. So these devices easily serve as a platform for third-party games, travel, and the flight planners, calculators, graphic drawing, preparing. So now we are not into explaining individual features which are there available on the Palm OS. These features were already available nowadays in a form of application apps which is available on the Play Store. Some of the other things, that is Palm 1 Tungsten T5 handheld device is one of the device which supports Palm OS as an operating system. So this is the name of the device, mobile computing device, ये Palm 1 Tungsten T5 handheld. This includes Palm desktop software for Windows and Mac both, and for both essential softwares are available, and it also uses the internal flash memory of 256 MB. Some other features of this Palm OS devices are like expansion slots of multimedia cards available, secure digital memory card, secure digital input output memory cards were available, doubles as a flash drive that enables quick drag and drop of files from the PC to the handheld devices. So we have already seen two types of operating system for the mobile. First is the Windows CE, second is Palm OS, then Symbian OS. So you may get questions, short questions on Symbian OS. This is most widely being used as an operating system for the smartphones. It runs exclusively on the, नहीं वो लास्ट यूनिट में दिया हुआ है, लास्ट यूनिट में एवरीथिंग इज देयर, यू जस्ट सर्व द दिस थिंग योर सिलेबस. तो सिलेबस में ना, हाँ सिम्बाइन बताना है. एक दो और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम भी हैं इसमें, ये देखो N300 ये डिवाइसेस वगैरह के नाम है, लाइनक्स का भी दिया हुआ है. ये 4 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के नाम बताना है. ओके, this is actually we are taking as one session. This is hardly 5 marks question or 4 marks question. Okay, you may get this as separate question as one of the operating system. Explain different mobile operating system, or they'll name the operating system and then you need to write it down. तो जो भी लेटेस्ट वाले हैं वो नीचे लास्ट यूनिट में लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी दी हुई है, लास्ट यूनिट में इंडिविजुअल टॉपिक्स दिए हुए हैं. उसमें यू जस्ट सी एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग इंक्लूडेड. वट एवर इज नॉट बीइंग इंक्लूडेड इन द प्रीवियस पार्ट, इट हैज़ बीन इंक्लूडेड इन द लास्ट वन. एवरी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, एवरी इंटरफेस, एवरीथिंग, APIs, बहुत सारी चीज़ें दी हुई हैं उसमें. सो दिस Symbian OS इज बीइंग मोस्टली यूज्ड बाय दिस स्मार्टफोन डिवाइसेस. It offers primitive multitasking and multi-threading. This we have already seen in the operating system concept. Primitive means what? During the resource allocation, if a new process which comes, then if that process needs the resources, then it can be taken out from that particular from the other resources, and depending upon the priority or the need, this type of scheduling is called as primitive. That is without bothering whether the previous terminate हो जाती थी और ये छीन लेता था उससे. Primitive and non-primitive type of scheduling is there. This is, we are just talking about the operating system features and is being applied to this. So difference lies only in the major part, that is क्या चीज़ें इसके पास एक्स्ट्रा है जो दूसरे के पास में नहीं है, वही चीज़ एक्सप्लेन करनी है. मेमोरी प्रोटेक्शन इज ऑल्सो देयर इन एवरी सिक्योरिटी व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. So initially it is designed for the handheld devices with the limited resources, strongly emphasis on the memory conservation. This embodies event-based programming. Event-based programming, as we know that VB supports event-based and .NET also supports this event-based programming. When applications are not directly considered with the events, the CPUs is switched off. So such techniques are very useful in the conserving the battery. That means if you are not using the particular application, it automatically switched off or it turns off your screen. This type of feature is also there in this. It supports WLAN, wireless LAN for the Hindi and this Vietnamese language, which supports to serve a large range of the consumers. Okay, native support for the Wi-Fi and supports for the FOTA, that is film. Firmware over the air. Firmware is basically the hardware which is being embedded on the software, or we can say that your this micro ovens which we have, microwave ovens, smart TVs, or these washing machines, smart washing machines, where you have sensors attached. You just set the information and it works. That is embedded system when we talk about the firmware. So improved memory management, low boot time, that means it takes less time to start up the system. Native support for the push to talk type of the feature. This is, see, the Nokia's example. You have a separate keypad and you have this feature which is screen, which is available. Okay, so it is based on 9300 OS operating type of system. So this is one of the device, N9300. It provides high speed data connectivity using this EGPRS Edge. We need to see the full form of all these things. Advanced voice features such as hands-free speaker phones and conference calling capability, a large storage memory which includes 80 MB of built-in memory plus multimedia cards, MMC slots which are there. Okay, these things seems to be very less when we talk about today's smart devices. Compatible with most Lotus and Windows programs, supports Microsoft Office formats, that is MS Office 97 onwards, supports viewing of slideshows, PIM interfaces for the applications such as calendar, contacts. अगर आपको calendars, contacts उसके ऊपर एंट्री करनी है तो वो हैंडहेल्ड डिवाइस के ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अंदर ही फीचर्स हैं, अलग से ऐप वगैरह फीचर्स नहीं है. और पहले ऐसा नहीं हुआ करता था, जैसे अभी आपके पास में प्ले स्टोर अवेलेबल है, प्ले स्टोर से आप डाउनलोड कर लो. जो आपके पास में डिवाइस के अंदर जितने ऐप्स इंस्टॉल करके उन्होंने कंपनी ने आपको प्रोवाइड किए हैं, जैसे कैलेंडर है, कैलकुलेटर है, यू नीड टू वर्क विद दोज ओनली, दोज एप्लीकेशंस ओनली. Okay, you cannot install add-on applications like what you were doing right now. So Microsoft Outlook 98, 2000, 2002, 3, these features were also there in the this N93 9300. Internet connectivity for the web browsing. PC synchronizing features, synchronizes with the chains of a PC in the vicinity. That means you need to connect with the other devices, you need to synchronize it. Integrates corporate solutions, IBM WebSphere every place access, BlackBerry Connect, Oracle collaboration suite. These some features are there. Secure mobile connections using NVPM client, semantic client security 3.0, Fujista business process mobilers. Basically this particular handheld device is having these many features. It includes Adobe Readers, supports the HP mobile printing softwares which enables Bluetooth connectivity with the compatible printers for the wireless printing. Okay, then we have Linux for the mobile devices. For Linux as one of the operating system which works on the mobile devices. So Linux is one of the operating system. So Linux can be modified easily to suit the different sorts. We know that Linux is a free open source software, so this can be easily modified to suit the hardware and the software applications. It is an open source operating system. It enables users to customize their devices. This is the basic features of Linux operating system. Nowadays also it is called as an open source because the codes are already available on the internet. You need to just download this operating system. If you need to customize it according to your requirement, you can do that. That is the basic feature of the Linux operating system. So considered to be more secure than most other operating system, and Linux support is easily available from many forums and associations that promotes this operating system. So many international mobile phones manufacturers turning to Linux for their operating system requirements because it is an open source software. Okay, so we have seen these different type of operating system. Windows CE, we have seen Windows CE handheld. First of all, we have begin with the handheld pocket computers and how handheld pocket computers differ from the smartphones and their applications. Windows CE. Then we have active synchronous for the synchronization, Palm OS, hot synchronous, Symbian OS, and the Linux. These are the different operating systems which are being supported by the mobile devices. Yeah, Devendra Sahu, any problem? It's just one reading required. Just